Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So I'm vlogging on my iPhone since my vlogging battery, I don't know, my camera died and I forgot to charge it. We're at Solomon's and I got my nails, we got our nails done. Here, show it to you. Right there. So we're here at the bridge, under the bridge. Walk at the bridge. It's kind of sunny today. And my nails, hold on, right here. That's my nails. This is the first time, I don't know if it's the first time vlogging on an iPhone, but yeah. I mean, the quality is still good. It's a video. I like a boom boom girl. We're here. How do you know? I like Leah's reaction. First time Italian tries Filipino food.
Let's get it.
And Germany, Brazil.
Oh wait, is it that one?
And then United States. Alright, we're here.
Blood?
Yes, it's so good.
Oh
Look
my god. You just eat it?
Yes. No, you have to cook it, of course. You can't just eat
How do you
it.
cook it?
You have to mix it with like onions and stuff. Yeah, I haven't tried it, but my mom always cook it for us. Yeah. So we have like shrimp with a head on. It's much better with the head on.
Oh yeah.
Like the shrimp with a head on. They're so fucking good. What is it? Let me see.
This is
I
ramen.
know.
What?
There's there's ramen. Oh my god, have you guys tried that?
No.
This one?
I've had that, yeah.
Is it super spicy?
Yeah, it's insane.
And this is our sardines.
Ramen section.
There's like sardines. They're so good.
Everything is so good. Flavored, current flavored, and barbecue.
Becky! Leah's face.
Want to try them? Let's get them.
Okay. She's spoiling us. Whatever. Oh my god.
Everything is so good.
There's like peanuts. Tomas, it's so good.
What the hell?
What are you guys doing? What is it? What is it? Oh, it's mayonnaise. It's
It
mayonnaise.
feels so cool.
It's mayonnaise.
Look, Leia, the yum yum sauce. I love that one. It's so
Yum yum. You could imagine. That's hard, ma. Alright, girl, stop.
Wait, what is this one again?
Trying
They're all so good.
crackers. How was this one?
It's everything is so good. I'm just gonna come here and buy this next.
Leah,
The chicken one.
is it good?
It's awesome.
Her Francis face. Is it good?
That tastes like much.
Oh, I haven't tried those. Shrimp and lumpia. Look at their faces. They smashed the whole thing. Look at. They prefer the beef one rather than the pork lumpia. So, I mean, yeah, I do prefer like the beef one. So good. Look at. Stay eating.
Wait.
It's a video. Why are you guys stopping now?
What up?
What do you do?
On toilet.
We're done, I believe.
The water hits the booty. Yo.
Jesus Christ, I raised these kids.
What up? You know, when you stick your tongue out.
What is going on?
When you stick your
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Mama. Happy birthday to you.
Now in Germany, Italian, Portuguese, and Spanish. Bon cumpleaños. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. sing in their language. Go, finish it. Muitas felicidades, muitos anos de vida.
What's the
I don't
mic?
even know. Wait.
Shame.
Bon compleanno a te, buon compleanno a te, buon compleanno a Glenn, buon compleanno a te.
I would
Just lost.
we sing.